Before you say, but Toyotas are reliable. Watch this. Yes, Toyota makes some of the best cars on the road. But not all Toyotas are created equal. Some of them have major issues, bad engines, CVT nightmares, hybrid battery failures, rust problems, and the kind of repair costs that make you question reality. These are the 11 Toyotas you need to avoid, even if the price is tempting, and even if your uncle swears by his Camry. Number 11, Toyota RAV4, 2019 to 2021. You'd think a RAV4 would be bulletproof, right? Wrong. The 2019 to 2021 models have harsh shifting, transmission hesitation, and sudden acceleration issues. Owners also report loud cabin noise, cheap interior panels, and early brake wear. Great on paper, a headache in reality. Number 10, Toyota CHR. Toyota's subcompact crossover that should have stayed on the drawing board. It's underpowered, slow, and cramped. The styling might catch your eye, but the driving experience is uninspiring at best. And with no all-wheel drive option, what's the point? Number 9, Toyota Prius C. The budget Prius. And it feels like it. Yes, you save at the pump. But you lose everywhere else. It's noisy, slow, and has cheap materials inside. Worst of all, battery replacement costs nearly total the car's value once it's out of warranty. Number 8, Toyota Tacoma, 2016 to 2019. The legendary pickup, with some legendary problems. Owners complain about jerky shifting, underpowered acceleration, and infotainment bugs. The ride is stiff, fuel economy is weak, and the transmission programming feels half-baked. This isn't the Tacoma of old. Number 7, Toyota Avalon Hybrid. It sounds like a smart luxury choice. It's not. Battery issues, expensive hybrid repairs, and transmission complaints plague this model. Also, high depreciation for what was once Toyota's premium sedan. Stylish outside. Struggling inside. Number 6, Toyota Yaris, 2012 to 2017. You wanted cheap. You got cheap. This era of Yaris is loud, unrefined, and painful on the highway. Safety ratings lag behind, tech is ancient, and resale is terrible. Even Toyota fans skip this one. Number 5, Toyota Sequoia, 2008 to 2015. This SUV is a gas-guzzling dinosaur. With terrible MPG, outdated tech, and a giant turning radius, it's just not practical anymore. Add in air suspension failures and frame rust issues, and you've got a full-size problem. Number 4, Toyota Matrix, 2009 to 2013. A Corolla hatchback, right? Sort of. But these models had ECM problems, engine stalling, and paint peeling like a bad sunburn. It never really caught on, and for good reason. Number 3, Toyota Camry, V6 models, 2007 to 2011. You didn't expect to see this one, did you? The V6 Camrys from this era had oil consumption issues, leaky gaskets, and premature engine wear. Sure, they're fast, but they'll burn through oil and patience. Number 2, Toyota Sienna, 2011 to 2016. The ultimate family hauler, unless you like repairs. These models are known for oxygen sensor failures, steering clunks, transmission issues, and expensive sliding door repairs. Minivan convenience? Only until the warning lights come on. Number 1, Toyota Highlander, 2014 to 2019. This one stings. The Highlander is a top seller, but these model years had serious flaws. Water pump failures, steering rack issues, and electrical gremlins are common. And let's not forget the 8-speed transmission that feels like it's guessing half the time. You expect better from a Toyota, but this one just doesn't deliver. There you have it, 11 Toyotas that can cost you big in the long run. If you're shopping for a used Toyota, do your homework. Stick to proven models and check real-world owner reviews, not just ads. Like this video if you've dodged a bad Toyota. Comment below if you've owned any of these. And don't forget to subscribe for brutally honest car advice, not dealership hype. Stay smart and stay away from money pits.